I'm Kaelin Wagnermarsh with Room Real Estate. Welcome to 135 Verde Drive in Santa Cruz. This is located in the Bonnie Doon area. We're surrounded by 2.5 beautiful acres. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. Come inside with me, let's take a closer look. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful property with me. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a tour, give me a call. Again, I'm Kaelin Wagnermarsh with Room Real Estate, and my telephone number is 831-419-6538.